Hey guys, it's Andrew with Nissan of Cookeville. Again, I'm going to show you a quick tutorial of how to set up your Bluetooth to your new car. Now, first thing you're going to do, of course, is you're going to go to your settings and then go to the Bluetooth menu on your phone. Then, on the center screen, you'll go to Connections, Add New. It's going to scan for your phone. It'll tell you what the listing will be. So down here, you have My Altima. You'll hit it. It'll give you a pin to verify that you're pairing to this vehicle and not some other vehicle just over across the way that might be trying to pair up their Bluetooth as well. So you'll hit pair once you've verified. You'll allow it to have access to your contacts, so when you are calling somebody over the Bluetooth button here, it'll actually recognize when you say to call for a specific person. So you'll hit allow on that, and then it will show you connected, ready to use. Now, another benefit of the new design and new system on the Bluetooth connections is these two little buttons right here. As you'll notice, the phone symbol on my phone that I just connected is orange, but the music symbol is not, as well as the one down here. Both of these are grayed out as well. So if you have two phones that are connected to the vehicle and you want the phone calls to come through to your phone, but you want the other person to control the music, you can actually do so by pressing each one of these four buttons to decide who has control over what. So for example, right here, I've got my phone connected to phone call, so if a phone call comes through, it'll be through my phone. If they get a phone call, it'll just come directly to their phone instead. So if I want to go ahead and add music back, I want control over the music, I'm not liking what the person in the passenger seat is playing, I can go ahead and hit this button right here, iPhone connected for Bluetooth audio, so that'll allow me to have control over what goes on to the radio if we're doing Bluetooth streaming for music. But that's just a quick tutorial on how that works. Hopefully that was helpful for anybody whose vehicle for some reason disconnects or is needing to add their new Bluetooth device to their car. If y'all have any questions, certainly feel free to come in and ask one of us. We don't mind a bit to help. Again, this is Andrew with Nissan of Cookeville, and we'll see you soon.